Ibondioma, I can acquire Ubua. I need an abata. Now, Nkubua chapter 3, Ubua. Chapter 3 say how to translate Igbo grammar correctly to English grammar. I want to before Banyalo. Transliteration. Ubua, I better na grammar, Igbo grammar. Koga be swa, game on here to Ariana Beke Yoga. If you get a partner, Narandi by here to Ari, Shinoku Beke, Shinoku Botanoku Beke, Ega Ubua. Ubua, Kanye. Bido. I say Igbo grammar or statements are difficult for Igbo speakers to translate to grammatically correct English. In this book, we shall attempt to write and translate them correctly, grammatically correctly. In Kembuwesi, use of would and should in blame sentences. In blame sentences. I can do when I send you was again. I can agwam. I'm the better. Even the guy that says, "But I can't." I can agwai. If you can't do the you would have told us. You would have told me. That's bad English. A choice here. I get now quite because the case as you. Can be done and number one. I can agwam in Arabia. I am Igbo. Nigerian English was. You would have told me you are not coming. That's bad English. You would have told me you are not coming. Being a tamla dota, you can use should. Being a bachelor mother, you can use would. British English gas. You should have told me you were not coming. You should have told me you are to blame. You would have told me. You didn't tell me anything. There was nothing to tell. So, you see? I never made check the go Kagwai. I was again keep as I guess because I want to get my biamus. I said, oh, you can't agway the man biamus. The Becarian has become a Nigerian English again. Oh, you would have told us you are not coming. That would should not be used in place of blame. You're blaming that person for not doing that thing. So when you're blaming, you say you should have told me. You should have done that. Means you could say me, but I would have done it. Abraham Mayor, I not got a mayor. They didn't tell me to do it. If they had told me, I would have done it. Okay, say it this way. They told you, but you forgot. You say, they told me to do it, but I forgot. I should have done it. I am sorry. So because you're using should, you are qualified to apologize. But when you're using would, there's no need to apologize. I know you must now work. You would have told us now. Became baby. You should have told me, idiot. Ibamba. Say you told me you were coming, and I sat here waiting all day. If you knew you were not going to come, you should have told me, and I would have. You charge your 4. But because if you knew you were not coming, you should have told me. Yes. I'm sorry I should have told you. I'm sorry I would have told you. That's not, you got it wrong. I am sorry I would have told you. Wrong. I'm sorry I should have told you. Correct. Come now, Mutia. In Kebia, in Kebua, where see? On the Moses, so. Yeah, number 2 here, under chapter 3. Number 2 here, see, on the Moses, I'm in a haste. I'm in a haste. Please, I'm in a haste. How could be trying hard as well? Area to grow from primary 1 to primary 6, secondary 1 to secondary 6. Or the English now work. No child should fail English at work, although possible. It shouldn't happen. If you go, should I get to use Gumi? It shouldn't happen means it is wrong that it is happening. That it is happening is wrong. That's why should comes in. Just to draw it back a little bit. Isi, what does it say when they go away? But it's the and that's what they go is. It's one why is zero. I would is zero. If you had told her, she would have told me. Get out of but one them wine. Agwahaya, Agwahakwanum. I ain't Kabunucha. Mazamata Agwahaya, but Agwaham, or Tadezia. I said, they told you, but they didn't tell me. You should have told me. Are they correct? You're blaming. Finally, when you are blaming someone for not doing something, use should. But when you are siding with them, that they did not know, and there was nothing to tell, that's when the wood comes in. I didn't know. If I had known, I would have told you. I knew, I'm sorry. I knew, but I didn't tell you. I'm sorry, I should have told you. That's it. The second number here, I will say, or the more say so. The right thing, Gabo, I'm in haste. I am in no article. I am in haste. Then, on the more say so, hasten up. I got my more say so, I'll hasten up. And my more say so, I hastened up and came. That's what you should have done. Please hasten up. Please hurry up. Now, hurry. I'm in a hurry. The correct. I am in a hurry. Correct. The article is there. But I am in a haste. Wrong. The article should not be there. That's my point. So I'm in haste. I'm in a hurry. I'm in haste. I'm in a hurry. Are you in a hurry? Are you in haste? See the rising tune there? Are you in a hurry? Are you in haste? Are you in a hurry? Are you in haste? Are you in a haste? I talk I for the master at Melinda. You know, as well as you go. But I'll play in a minute. Are you in a haste? You know? Okay, so Biko, Swan came. Yes, shake a Igbo came when I forget when I the most so. I'm in haste. I'm in a hurry. Thank you. Next. Because I say, Akamasekwa. Everybody room. Akamasekwa. I sing it in your own area. Seven years. It's a Akamasko Mosqua here. Akamasko Mosqua and a became the buyer appear years ago. I foresay. I foresay if you know anything, if you that is Nigerian English. It is pidgin English. It is bad English. Now, became yoga. Imana for the Munamana START start. Don't koja. Let us start. They think that's all that's about start. But start is a content word. It's an open word too. Meaning you can, derive more words from the root word or the initial word there, start. Then again, as a content word, it has start, one first meaning, start, second meaning, start, third meaning, and all that. Some words where, if you go to a dictionary, the entry, we can put first entry, second entry, third entry, even fourth entry sometimes. So, Unkuja will start. Ija will startle. I'll get to that. Okay, saw me and started. No, okay, saw me and again Nigerian English. Okay, saw me and was shocked. And then shock electric. Okay, saw me and was frightened. The little woman, Baba's yosa. Okay, saw me and was shivering. When I was waging 185,000. Dodge kata one dem pata. Okay. So hey, okay, after now, he hasn't heard this, yeah. Now you kucha gela wesi okenwa ge hota ge hwani go ka say hey na mo ko okenwa honam ta koja aga okenwa saw me and was shocked. Okay, one Sunday I was shivering because of 5,000 I can be now I'm up, now I'm open. And then I saw okay, one Sunday I was panicking. Okay, one Sunday I was fidgeting. What you man have here? I'm just the money here. I'm not going to 1,000 money in the hall. Okay, one of them. What 2,000? What time do you go? What 2,000 ma? What is that here? Yeah, we have 2,000. Okay, one of them. How go did you what you money, what you white, what you tomato, what you garlic, you know, like when you didn't have every ingredient was there. I thought I empty you're gonna have a thing, I'm busy, 5,000. But 12 may have 5. What did you call a mud? Will you do it to say I'm 5,000? Is that I here? In Gajuba, you were Igbo. I can't be when I suffer. Igbo is it was here could Igbo Nabeki. They say, I could jaram, Makani Jaram 5,000. Hey, I was shocked because you frightened me. He said, I was startled because you surprised me. Go get you watch her. I'm sorry that has been looking at us and said, oh, the quick go to she go and take a queen him. Take you for quite a boom. I'm not going to let my guy many gun. Eh, I could jaram the start. Makani jaram startle. So, I could jaram Makani jaram. I started because you startled me. Even the proper translation, the proper grammatical equivalent of the Igbo grammar is so to English. That's what I'm teaching. I am not teaching transliteration. It's not open to argument because some Thomases are down there. They can say, oh, come on, it can be anything else. It cannot be anything else. This is education. This is academic matter. This is matters rather. What verification do you have? Have you had time to sit down and find out if it's true or not? Don't argue when you've not verified. I've been verified. When you are in bed sleeping, I am awake looking and reading and trying to get the right answer. I want to say, I don't agree. Yeah, but I say, I started because it started me. Give her brain like Yahoga mark your turn. This is my name. I said, this is my name. Kuja. I said, I could have mechanic jaram. We say, Kuja. You saw me and started. I said, I started because you started me. He said, okay, what do you have behind you? I said, no, nothing behind me. Can I see your hands? I said, I want to hear your hands. For the big ticket on. Is that here? I said, is mom around? Is something wrong? Is the mouth okay? I said, oh, you know, grandma. Oh, you have to take it on there. You can give me there. It would have done anything, I see, Mom, look, I thought this boy was doing something wrong when I found him. He said, Mom, it's a lie. So shut up. When you saw me, you started. Mom, this boy saw me and started. There's some suspect going on. I said, Mom, it's a lie. I started because she started me. Why did you see me and start? He said, I started because he started me. If I'm Kuja, so did I start with you? He said, yes, he's Jaram, but I'm going to tell you. If I'm going to start. You work with a start. You know, when you were before the Benicus, Behana, Cusina, about Korakamoto, now about you. Oh, Nakus, Metuakotua. Class. There are other books you can read up and teach a child things from them. Come on.